hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Oh, and look at me and say hi.
Hi.
You guys, where are we today?
Alfred's house.
Alfred's house. Here comes Jillian and her balloon.
Mommy?
Yeah. What?
Do you see that yellow bird?
I do. And the lovebirds?
No,
There's Mommy.
Say hi. Say hi.
Okay? He's in the high
He
nest.
is? Miles, what do you see up there? Uh-oh. Jillian just fell.
Yellow.
But she's okay. I didn't.
See another one that's brown and white. And on the high nest.
Uh-huh. Do you want to show me?
He's right there. See him?
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at him fly.
I think he's ready to fly out of his nest.
Oh, boy, I haven't seen an airplane before.
They're so cute.